Impediment is a medical device company, and it specialises in basically the measurement of body fluid in the human body, obviously. It has a product called LDEX. And what LDEX is an electronic method of measuring minute changes in body mass or liquid in the body. Now, the first indication that this product's been used for is lymphedema. Lymphedema is obviously the condition after a cancer treatment where you get fluid build up in the lymph nodes. That can lead to swelling of arms and legs. You've probably seen people with rather large legs. That's lymphedema. Problem with lymphedema is once it presents itself, you can't cure it. All you can do is treat it. And the cost of treating this product is huge. What you're seeing around the world across medical jurisdictions everywhere is a move from, we've got to treat people that are sick, but let's do everything we can to prevent it in the first place. LDEX and Impediment's product can detect lymphedema at preclinical levels. That means you can cure it before it becomes a problem. So this is a fantastic product. It's so great that Medicare, it has a Category 1 reimbursement code in the US. I think there's only 2 other Australian companies that have a Category 1 reimbursement code. That's Cochlear and ResMed, right? So this is not a common thing to have. And only earlier this week, it got a 13% price increase in the reimbursement rate that Medicare was prepared to pay. So it's pretty clear the US regulator want this product used. So the really exciting thing about this product, and what gets us really excited about Impediment, is it's not just about lymphedema. This is a platform business. They can measure body fluid changes wherever. One of the indications that they're working on right now is chronic heart disease. This product has the potential to really make a huge impact on the early detection of chronic heart disease and heart failure, basically. Now, once again, going back to what's happening in the US hospital system, Medicare is putting penalties on hospitals for early readmission. If any patient is readmitted within, I think it's 60 days, they deduct Medicare payments off that hospital. The hospital has every incentive to keep patients out of the hospitals, and one way they can do that is early detection of problems. So this is really playing that area. The heart market is many, many times larger than the lymphedema market, and we're expecting to see some pretty exciting things from Impediment over the coming 12, 18 months in the heart area. From a risk perspective, we think Impediment's risk, look, there's always risk in medical device companies. We think the risk in Impediment, however, is quite low. It's low for several reasons. This is not a technology that's trying to be proved up. This is a proven technology. It's a technology endorsed by Medicare in the US. It's got a Category 1 coding. Very few companies get Category 1 codings and reimbursement rates. Okay, so this is a serious technology being employed right now. It's in the process of being rolled out in the US because the measurement for lymphedema with this product is only new. The current test, the standard of care today to test lymphedema is a tape measure test or a water displacement test. Clearly, this is not even technology. This is something from 100 years ago, sort of thing. So this product's been rolled out. So at the moment, no, it doesn't have a lot of revenues. No, it doesn't make any earnings. But it did do capital raising early this year, late last year. So it's fully funded right out for many years to come. In terms of the risk on the balance sheet, in terms of risk on the product, those are basically eliminated. They're not there. And it's all about the commercial rollout of this product, which they're doing themselves, as opposed to relying on a big pharma type organisation where the product can get lost in the product suite. They're doing an excellent job in terms of this product. And the other thing, if you really like about this company and its management team, is they are the biggest under-promises and over-delivers I've come across. They really are quite conservative in what they tell the market and how they're going to execute, and they always over-deliver.